considerations when designing an earth bar. In this short video, we will outline some of the basic considerations. The first thing to consider is test links. These are found at the end of an earth bar and allow the earth connection to be disconnected for testing. Our standard links minimise the overall length of an earth bar, whilst still allowing disconnection for testing. Test links with outgoing ways are an alternative way to allow for testing of the earth connection without loosening it. These do increase the overall length of an earth bar in order to allow for the additional fixings, but are a convenient option. The next consideration is the fixings themselves. The desired size could range from M6 to M16 or beyond, and is typically M10 to allow for a range of connection options. Fixings come in plenty of different materials, commonly brass, phosphor bronze, and a range of stainless steels. Fixings can be configured in a variety of ways. For example, parallel fixings allow more connections to be made on a small bar, or the connection of twin-hole lugs. Staggered fixings are another way to minimise the length of an earth bar, whilst maximising the number of available connections. Staggered fixings also allow connections to be made from both sides of an earth bar. In the event that more flexibility is needed with regards to the fixing required, earth bars can be supplied with clearance or tapped holes. This allows for connections via posi screws or use of a customer's own fixings. There are a range of additional considerations to be made when designing an earth bar. These can include the size of the copper bar and the finish needed to protect the bar in adverse conditions, such as humid or corrosive environments. The base of the earth bar can also be customised to suit such conditions. As standard, Kingsmill earth bars come complete with the following: a powder-coated steel base, M10 by 35 insulator, 50 by 6 hard-drawn copper bar, and brass fixings.